Hi, Jim Beckler with the RV Corral. Welcome to our website. Hey, I'd like to take a few minutes to show you a really nice 2019 Sunseeker. This is a 2500 TS model, this triple slide. For those of you who maybe are looking for something that's maybe your favorite place to camp, it's off the beaten path a little bit, you don't really like to go to the big resorts, this could be a good fit for you because it's got a good layout, so there's a good combination between drivability and livability. So as we get inside, you'll see it's laid out really nice. But anyway, it has a smaller platform, smaller footprint, so great floor plan. One of my favorites, actually. Now this is built on a Ford chassis, so you've got the 450, so it's got plenty of suspension. It's got a V10 Ford Triton V10 engine, so you got plenty of power, good performance. Also set up to tow, so if you want to tow a vehicle behind you, you could. It's small enough where maybe in most cases you wouldn't need to do that. Now during this video you may have questions. I may miss something that you have thought about and I don't cover it, so feel free to give me a call. You can reach me at 541-510-1017. So don't hesitate to give me a call. The other thing that's nice about this is it's got full body paint. The advantage of that is not just for looks, but it also will keep your coach looking better over a longer period of time. So instead of decals being pasted on, this actually has paint, so you don't have that fading and where sometimes after a period of time the decals start to peel and check. Adds to the resale value. Hopefully, you know, if you have this for a long time, it'll be looking just as good 5 years from now or 10 years from now as it is right now. Good layout. I like the fact it's got the steps going up into it. A nice big patio awning that's all electric, easy to get in and out. A good amount of storage on this, actually. You've got quite a few storage compartments. Propane access right here. Also has an outside TV, so you can sit out here, get that awning out, maybe take in a movie, or maybe you want to watch your favorite ball game. Again, more storage here. Notice that nice Rotocast hard material, easy to keep clean. Nice big compartment back here. Goes all the way across. You can see down there it's got pass-through storage, great place to throw maybe your fishing poles. I mentioned it's a triple slide, so it's got the bed that slides out the back. It already set up to tow, as I mentioned. You got a nice heavy-duty tow hitch on there and a quick connect for your propane, actually, so you could plug in your barbecue back here and don't have to worry about having a separate fuel source. Plug in your power cord right here. Also has a hookup for your cable, ladder to get up on top. This is built actually with a one-piece fiberglass roof too, by the way. That adds to the durability. You have less maintenance with the fiberglass roof, harder to poke a hole in it because some manufacturers use either a rubber or some type of a vinyl roof. So fiberglass, definitely the way to go. Got your freshwater fill right here. This is access to the other side of that pass-through storage that we looked at. Looks like it's got come in with the sewer hose. Speaking of sewer hose, here's a connection. This is where you're going to hook up your sewer hose. What they call the wet bay. Also has an outside shower, and your water connections are right there too. So, and it does have a black tank flush, which is nice. So we can put pressured water to that, help keep your black tank cleaned out. You can swing around here and take a look back here. You can see there's a port right there for your air. So it's got airbags, Firestone airbag system. So you can adjust the amount of air in your airbags depending on how much weight you're going to have in your coach, whether you're towing or not. Again, lots of storage all the way around here. We can see there's storage compartments. So you got places to put all your stuff when you're out on the road. Even has a little spot here. Looks like this one's locked up, but you can get the idea. Well, let's see here. I might have a key to get in it. See if we can do that without too much trouble. See if I can break the code. There we go. Now you can see underneath the dinette. And then down here is your generator. It has a 4,000 watt Onan gasoline powered generator that runs off your main gasoline tank too, by the way, so you'd have plenty of fuel to operate your generator. So if you like to dry camp, that's a huge asset. This one does have, might point out while we're out here, it has side view cameras as well as a backup monitor, so you have a camera on the back and on both sides, so you can see what's going on down the side of your coach when you're traveling. As you scan down over the slide outs, you can see that it does have awnings over all the slide outs. Let's take a look inside. Again, if you have questions, 541-510-1017. Just give me a call. Now this one is equipped with the overhead bed, so you've got the ability to sleep a couple people up here. I like the fact they utilize the space really well. Even it has a couple cup holders up there, place to maybe throw in some snacks, keep you going at night. You don't have to crawl down here. You still got what you need. And this just fills in over here, makes it actually a pretty nice sized bed. But if you don't need the bed, you can just slide this up and out of the way. Makes it a little easier getting in and out. I mentioned Ford chassis, easy to operate, everything's user friendly. Really nice driving motorhome. This is going to be very comfortable to drive, not so big that it's cumbersome to get around. Both front seats are going to spin around for you. You can see it does have the little cushions that you can sit on there, so when it is faced towards the back of the coach, you don't have to sit so close to the floor. I think I mentioned this has 3 slide outs, so one of the slides has this wraparound dinette. Good amount of space in here. The table top drops down, fill this in, makes into another bed, and then you also have storage underneath. Comes out really quite a ways. These are full extension, and they put heavy enough door glides on there that you can put some weight in there. You don't have to worry about them falling out. And then you've got storage up here as well. Little skylight lets in some nice natural lighting. And I've got a pantry over here, adjustable shelves, and more drawers down below here also. So they've utilized the space really well in here. I like the fact they've got a convenience center that's kind of a central area, so I can go to this panel, operate. I can check my tank levels here. I can turn the generator on from here. The water heater has both an electric and a gas element. I can turn my water pump on. This has the Arctic pack too, so you've got, if I'm out in some cold weather and I'm a little concerned about whether I'm going to get some freezing on my water tanks down below, or my gray and my black and my fresh water tank, I can turn that on. I've got heat to those tanks, help keep them from getting too cold and freezing up on me. And then lighting's right here, of course, in operation for your slide out right here. And I have thermostat here for temperature control. Does have roof air and good heating source, so you're pretty well on board with lots of comforts, the comforts of home. Nice kitchen area with cabinets up above, dual sinks on this one here also, so you've got 2 stainless steel sinks, residential style faucets. Again, a little bit more like the comforts of home. Even has a little spot here that we can have a garbage can right there, drop in stuff from up above, and then a little door over here to get to it. Got a countertop extension, so I can adjust the amount of counter space I need. And also down here I've got my battery disconnect, so when I'm storing this I can turn this off. It's actually in an off position now, so when I'm on now I'm able to draw from my batteries. I've got an control right here for the awning, and then some lighting here. This is another really nice feature on this particular coach. It has an auto level system, so when I get to my spot and I want to start setting up, I can just hit auto level and it's going to level everything out for me. You're not running around with pieces of wood, try to shim things up and level things out. With manually, it's going to do all the work for you. Nice, again, nice kitchen area. Comes with a convection microwave oven. Or actually, this one does not have a convection mic. This is a regular oven, but because you do have a gas oven also on this one, sometimes you'll have one or the other. This one does have the gas oven plus a nice 3-burner stovetop. Nice solid surface countertop too, by the way. Got a nice drawer down here for pots and pans and more storage underneath here. 2-door refrigerator, freezer separate from my refrigerator down below. I guess we keep the little drapes in the refrigerator for some reason. I'm not really sure why, but I think these are to hang over the top of for privacy up front there. More storage here. Even has a little storage compartment up here. I've got to stretch a little bit here to get it up there, but get to it. So we get back towards the back here, we can see we got a nice little sink access with medicine cabinet, under mount sink, more drawers here, more storage, lighting, all that's right here. And this has what they call a private bath, so your shower, toilet, kind of all in one, everything except for the sink. The sink is separate, so if somebody wanted to be showering and another person wanted to maybe brush their teeth, you have the ability to do that. So I do have a nice little sliding door here too, so I can, you know, you have a way to have some privacy in the back in your bedroom area. One more, there's 2 slide outs back here actually, so we have the slide out up front, and then we have a sofa, or not a sofa, but a closet slide. So this all slides out too. It's out right now, so my closet goes out. I've got a bank of drawers here. You got 6 nice drawers, again full extension. They come all the way out, so easier to get to. And the bed is slid out also, and you've got nice shades on both sides. The windows open up so you could get fresh air coming across through here. Also has a window in back and nice valances. Now we don't have everything's still in the wrapper. This just came in, so it's a brand new addition to our inventory. Like I said, it's a 2019 2500 TS. You can see the kind of the core, and very nicely done. Also has a bedroom TV in this one as well. So great floor plan. Like I said, maybe you're looking for something that's a little on the smaller side, but gives you plenty of room when you're out in it for any length of time. This could be the one. So give me a call. Again, it's Jim Beckler, and it's 541-510-1017. Thanks for your time.